the green technology, basically the whole idea is to make everything energy efficient. We're polluting the air and we're making it a lot less healthy for us all to breathe.
Everybody, how you doing? I'm Franklin Lewis. I'm a good member of Green Technology, and we are here at Jadoo Power Company, where we are learning about what newer ways to build up energy and not to waste energy. One of the things I got about this is a very good experience. I learned a lot. I learned about what other materials they're using and what other ways to save energy and to save the economy and to save our natural habitat. And like I said, it's a very good experience. I've learned so much, and I also learned because I really want to major in architecture. So I found one of my inspirations here, my very first inspiration. This program is a very good program. It's mentoring and it's very empowering, and it's very good to keep you out of trouble. Very good to keep you out of trouble. And I hope the future will get a hold of this message as we try to save this economy.
What I learned was the different aspects of engineering. Basically, I want to go into civil engineering, so looking at the more chemical side to the engineering part, I got to see more of how the breakdown is on even the smallest aspects of batteries and more efficient ways of building instead of just putting something together, but it's costing X amount of numbers, and then it also does this to the environment. So I got to see more of how the world is becoming more green and how they use alternate ways of using batteries. So.
What do you consider a fuel cell? What's a fuel cell to you?
To me, a fuel cell is basically a new version of the battery. Basically a more fuel efficient, more green type of battery, which can be basically recharged and used over and over again, and very, like I said, very efficient.
Seeing how I'm going into civil engineering, it's now that the world has come to a point where we're using a lot of our natural resources that can't be restored back. In civil engineering, building more environmental safe buildings and environments to help the world continue to run.
And for me, if I were to go into chemical engineering and looking at my own business and making tires, I would see how the way that tires are made now, that they're not very disposed of very efficiently, and it causes pollution in the environment. So I would see that if I could change the way that the tire, what it's made out of, or improve most of the elements that it's made out of, to make it more of an efficient product.
I think what we want you to come out of this presentation with, there are thousands of opportunities out there to do exciting things. This is just what we do.
Help clean up this land, the reputation of this man, with whole and withstand. Slick Rick and Outkast is on this jam, trying to help raise our youth to man. See if the ruler